Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So here we have our straps, the bottom one and the top one, and let's say we want to change them. To change them you will need one thing, you will need some kind of pin that fits into hole right here. I'm gonna use the SIM eject tool that comes with a phone. You can use anything else that basically fits in here. And to take off the strap, you need to use the pin and push in this metal thing right here. So basically you need to push it in, this metal element, and then you can pull out the strap. And you need to do it for the on the both sides. So now we can go to the second side and push in the pin with the pin and pull out the strap. And here we have it. That's the strap removed. Let's do it for the second one. So push in the pin. That sounds weird, but yeah, basically you push in the axle or whatever it is for the strap and then pull out the strap with your hand. And do the same on the other side, like that. And here we have it. Be aware though not to lose this axle because it may fall out. But if you get a new strap, you will probably you will need to remove the axle from here and put it into a new strap if you get a new strap. Okay, and once you get new straps, you will need to put them on, and you can do it by again using something you can push in the pin. I'm gonna use the flat side of this SIM eject, so I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna put in one side of the axle into the hole right here. Sometimes it's gonna be tough, but you can also push it all the way to this side and put it in like this, like that. Then push the axle a little, push it in. Oh, I missed it. It's gonna be a bit finicky, but you need to get it, like put it in the hole right here. Then you push in the strap, and then you need to push in the pin and slide the strap in, and the axle will like snap on, and you will see it right here and right here, and it will hold the strap. Let's do the same for this side. So basically put the one side in like this, put it in the hole, push in the strap until it stops you on the pin, and then push in the pin with something like this and slide in the strap. Quite easy, as you can see. And once you're done, you can put on your watch. As you can see, I put the straps in the wrong orientation. This one should be at the top, I think, but you can do it if you want to. It doesn't change anything. The straps are on and they should work perfectly. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.